I'm gonna be doing a getting ready with me. So this is like my ultimate what would I say, ultimate like wellness day. I haven't had I'm never really at my apartment. I'm honestly like out and about all the time, and it's really exhausting. And since I'm gonna be home most of the day today, I decided to take this time to relax and do the things that I really like to do, which is take care of myself and do things like face masks and hair masks and paint my nails and toes and whiten my teeth and just like do all those things that like I like to do that are just like beauty and like fun things. So I'm gonna take a bath and kind of just I'm gonna take most of the day and just like pamper myself pretty much, and at the same time get ready for the date night tonight. But I took this excuse to pamper myself, which I think I deserve after a long 4 weeks of just complete hecticness. So this is how I look beforehand, but I'm excited. I'm actually wearing my senior homecoming dress to this date night because I wanted a blue dress, and I made my mom, thanks mom, mail this to me. So yeah, and then my shoes just came in today. I got some clear heels from Amazon because they were the cheapest ones I could find. And yeah, just trying to stay on a budget for fun things like this. So I'm gonna be just showing you guys how I like to pamper myself today and kind of like a get ready with me into the date night. So let's get started. Okay, before I this is how I look right now. But before I kind of like get into everything, I want to show you guys my shoes. So I've been wanting a pair of clear heels for so long. I went to the mall on Wednesday, went to MOA, which is Mall of America, and Rosedale. Could not find them. I found one pair for $90. I'm not going to pay that much for shoes. So I found these ones on Amazon for $31. They're knockoffs of Steve Madden's, but honestly, they fit really well. I already tried them on. I might go get some little like things for the bottom, because do you see how flat that is? We'll see, but if not, I'll be fine. So yeah, I'm gonna take a bath and get ready to go. Okay, and then this is the dress that I'm wearing today. It's drying because oh my gosh, it still kind of looks weird because I washed only like parts of it. Let's see. So starting out, before I get into the bath, I am gonna be putting on this face mask. Literally, if anybody ever needs an amazing face mask, this is so cool. It's a deep pore cleansing face mask, and it's Indian healing clay, and you use apple cider vinegar to mix the powder. So I just take like 1 spoonful of powder, put it in a bowl. That's literally all you need for the face mask. And then I just put a little bit of apple cider vinegar. A little bit more than what you got from the spoonful of the powder. And then I just mix it. And sometimes you might need to add more, which I actually do need to add more. To create like a paste. Okay, so this is what the face mask looks like. I just am gonna apply this to my face. Do I want to do it now? And I'm not going to really be able to talk to you guys with a whitening strip on. I used to do whitening strips a lot when I was in high school. My mom would get so mad at me because I would literally wear them all the time. But now I usually only do them every month or two. I used to do like every few weeks. and I make sure they're only on for 30 minutes. My friend Carly fell asleep with one once and her teeth burnt like the whole night. No, that's not happening. Okay, so right here I am just applying an eye cream and then a vitamin C serum and then also my facial lotion, which are big parts to my skincare routine because I want to make sure I am not going to be getting any wrinkles anytime soon. And then we're going to move along with a 7-day spray, which is just like a vitamin spray. And then I use the Chi Silk Infusion and then a Repair Rescue Serum, a blow dry serum, and a anti-frizz serum. I put that all in my hair and then I use my spray-in things, which is a protein spray and then a leave-in treatment. And I take a wet comb, which is a great comb for wet hair, and I comb through all that hair and make sure there's no knots or anything, and then I head to blow drying. My nails and my toes, I did this like blue color and then just added some like silver sparkles over the top of it. They're kind of messy, but honestly it's better than nothing. So I'm gonna actually run to Target and grab some heel like insole things just for my heels because they're new heels, and then I'm gonna grab a coffee and then come back and continue getting ready. Okay, I already took a bite because I was hungry, but I just I got some banana nut bread, just a little iced latte from Starbucks. And then I bought these little ball foot things. We'll see if they work. But yeah, I bought these. And then I'm just gonna watch some Keeping with the Kardashians while I wait, or while I eat my food, because this is just like a snack before we actually like eat dinner on the yacht. And then I'm probably gonna do my makeup and start working on that. Okay guys, I'm all done getting ready. I didn't film me doing my makeup because I was in a rush. I realized I didn't have any bobby pins to do part of my hair, so I freaked out, but my friend Grace saved the day. So I'm just wearing the Kylie Jenner Valentine's Day palette and the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette on my eyes. And then I'm just wearing a mix of two foundations, the It Cosmetics anti-aging foundation and then the Dior foundation. It's like Forever foundation, but I'll show you guys like over what I'm talking about. And then I'm wearing a Tarte blush, two highlighters, but you can, oh no you can, you can see all my nose. I'm wearing an Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter and a Laura Geller highlighter, and then I'm just wearing a Kim KKW Beauty lip gloss, and then I did my hair. Use the beach waver to curl it, and then I'm just wearing some diamond earrings. And then for my outfit, I'm sitting on my bed right now. I'm wearing this dress that I wore my senior year of homecoming, and it's from Dillard's. It has kind of like this back. I'll put in pictures and stuff, but yeah, so my nails are done. Oh, and my shoes from Amazon. Brand new shoes, and I have put in some Dr. Scholl's because they are flat. So yeah, I've got like less than an hour to be there. I'm just gonna wait for my friend Grace that's also going, and then we're gonna Uber over because we're too lazy to walk. Called Paradise Lady. Hi. Okay. We should take the photo up here. Katie. That was cute.
But most of you guys don't understand.
She pays attention.